In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group by month in Salesforce reports. If you've been working with Salesforce and want to enhance your reporting capabilities by grouping data monthly, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, to access your Salesforce environment, open your browser and navigate to your Salesforce homepage. Here, you'll have an overview of your workspace, giving you quick access to the essential tools you'll be using today. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Reports tab. Usually you'll find it at the top of the screen within your main navigation bar. Click on that, and it will lead you to the repository of your existing reports, where you can either create new ones or modify existing ones. With the Reports section open, browse through your available reports. Choose the specific report you want to modify by clicking on it. This action will open up the detailed view of the selected report where you can make the necessary adjustments. Upon opening your report, you will see Edit in the top right corner of the screen. Click on this to enter the edit mode, allowing you to customize the report to fit your needs. It's where the magic begins for organizing your data as desired. With the report in edit mode, focus your attention on the columns section. Here you'll see all the fields present in your report. Look for the last modified date field within those columns. This will be your key field for grouping purposes. Find the last modified date column and then click and drag it into the area designated for grouping rows. This action helps organize your data based on the date criteria, setting the stage for further grouping options. Next, locate the Column Actions drop-down menu. It's usually part of the column header, giving you various ways to manipulate and organize your report data. When you find it, click to reveal more options. From the Column Actions menu, hover over the Group Date By option. You'll see different timeframes you can use for grouping. You're interested in calendar month, so click on that. This action groups your data by each distinct month, providing a clear month-by-month view of your figures. After setting your report to group by calendar month, it's time to save your changes. Look for the Save button, again usually in the top right corner, and click it. This ensures all your modifications are kept and that your report reflects the new grouping. And there you have it. You've successfully grouped your Salesforce report by month, transforming how you visualize and analyze your data. Remember, this approach aids in uncovering trends and patterns, enabling more insightful decision-making. Thank you for watching, and feel free to revisit these steps whenever needed.